huge rhododendrons here, huge. Look at the size of these things. It's all rhododendron on the side here, and it's steep. Didn't know they can grow in this kind of steepness. And look, even up here, all rhododendron. This is all rhododendron everywhere we go in this section. I guess it's a good climate for them. Back into the rhododendron here. That's a flowering rhododendron up here. It's gonna get really shady. Look at this. Look at this rhododendron tunnel. It's like a perfect microclimate like the other spot. I think they're even flowering in here. Rhododendron tunnel. Looks like the trail makes a sharp right up here.